It's one of the best places you can take a young child on all of Nassau County.
LICM matters because all children need to be able to learn in the way they wish to learn, not the way we want to teach them.
LICM matters because the community needs a good, safe, stimulating, happy place to learn, to explore as families with children. That's why it matters.
LICM matters because it is a first start for so many families. When I started taking Emery to the museum, I was working every day in the evening and my husband was in school. And it was a great way to introduce her to so many educational aspects. She got to do art, she got to play, she got to be hands-on in the backyard, get her hands dirty, and it was a wonderful way for us to give her so many learning experiences without being able to put her in an actual daycare.
Abigail, she gets so excited. Every time I mention we're coming to the Children's Museum, she just light up, oh my God, I get to see my teachers. She gets really, really, really excited. It makes me feel good.
It offers a fundamental role and function in our society. It helps our children grow and develop while having fun. I think that's very special.
She could not have learned all the stuff that she knows, especially using her hands, without the help of the Long Island Children's Museum, the activities that is available here for her. And I've constantly seen improvements, and she comes home and she wants to do more stuff that she saw here or learned here. So she does it on her own.
If we start taking away museums and we just rely on children in the classroom, iPads, TV, videos, we take away so much. We take away that dynamic of getting them outside the home and learning and being able to create things that are new and educational. This is a functional museum, unlike some of the other museums that we have here in New York, which are all so fabulous and wonderful. But the Long Island Children's Museum is completely geared towards children and our community and the families that make it so special.
By supporting the Children's Museum, you're really giving to a better tomorrow for the kids that are showing up. It's about inspiring a child who can grow up and do incredible things that maybe they learned in our space.
The Long Island Children's Museum is especially important to me because it recognizes our history. It has tremendous respect for science, both the methods and the product of science, knowledge. And it's important to me because it's inclusive of individuals, of families, of cultures. And the Long Island Children's Museum is important to me because, most of all, it represents sincere optimism and hope at the deepest level.